Apart from simplified texts, there are other ways of supporting extensive reading. So what are these ways? Let's have a look at them now. We can gloss some of the texts being used for extensive reading. What's glossing? Glossing is just to give the meaning of words in L1 or in simple L2. For example, if we want to teach extensive reading through the novel The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway, we can put the meaning of the words on top of them, or when we are simplifying that version, we can put their meaning in Urdu or in simple simple English to help students maintain the momentum actually of reading. So glossing has its place, and there are debates going on both in favor and against of glossing, whether it's really useful or not. But most of the research findings suggest that glossing is very effective in terms of helping develop students' extensive reading skills, right? So, and in Japan, most of the texts are, for example, they are glossed because they help improve the comprehension of the text. So still the research is going on whether gloss text helps or not. And for your thesis purposes, I mean, when you will be involved in thesis writing at the end of your MA-ELT, you might think of doing research about the usage of glossing for developing extensive reading among students. You can look at the student's perspective. That's a research topic for you. So there are, of course, we are living in a technology era where we have got information communication technology, and we can use computers to assist develop reading. And computers can be easily used, like by offering synonyms, and we can use online corpora or concordances to develop glossing. And we can help our students make the use of electronic dictionary or hypertext glossing, right? So there are some other ways of developing. Apart from glossing, we can elaborate the texts with its like rewriting of texts and or adding original to the text rather than removing it. Okay, let's have a look at the example taken from Lord Jim. The text is in front of you, where I have done glossing just to help keep the momentum of reading. Okay, let's read the text together. He was an inch, perhaps 2 under 6 feet, powerfully built, and he advanced straight at you with a slight stoop. Now, the stoop has been glossed, and that has been put in italics, underlined. Stoop means bend. So instead of, this develops overall understanding of the text, of the shoulders, head forward, and a fixed from under stare, which made you think of charging animal like a bull. Charging animal has been glossed as bull has been glossed as a charging animal like a bull. So if students are not aware of the meaning of the bull, they may fully understand that charging animal is a bull. So this is how you can develop extensive reading through glossing, through elaboration activities. And there are, of course, various ways of doing it. And the purpose is just to develop extensive reading habits.